Hello and welcome back to Google Doogle channel, and we're looking at Crayfish factory. It's early winter, so the swell hasn't really arrived yet, but it's looking good for a winter's day. Nice clear day, mild surf. I believe the Crayfish factory shut down in September last year in 2023 as a result of a accident with the cray fishermen. Some men drowned and they closed down the factory. Looking down there at what looks like a swimming pool, I think someone tried to turn it into a skateboard park at some time. There's also been talk that someone wants to start up a restaurant here. It would be nice if someone could get that together. It'd be like a brass bell kind of setting, and perhaps draw a lot of crowds to the territory, and nice to sit there having a pint watching the surfers in the bay. No success yet though, because the owner of the place was not reachable. Don't forget to go and have a look at my Misty Cliffs walkabout over there. I'll put a link in the description for you.